In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and check your graphics card on Windows 10. Knowing what graphics card you have is really important. Whether you're trying to install a new game, troubleshoot performance issues, or check if your system meets the requirements for a particular application. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a simple and reliable way to identify your graphics card using tools that are already built into Windows 10. Let's start right on the Windows desktop. First, make sure you're on the main screen, not inside a program or a game. Move your mouse pointer to an empty area of the desktop. Then click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of the screen. In the search bar that appears, type Device Manager. You should see Device Manager show up in the list of results. Go ahead and click on it to open. Device Manager is a built-in Windows tool that lets you see all the hardware connected to your computer. Once the Device Manager window opens, you'll see a long list of categories, each one representing a type of device. Look for the category called Display Adapters. It might be near the middle of the list. Click on the little arrow or caret next to Display Adapters to expand it. Under Display Adapters, you'll see the name of your graphics card or cards. If your system has only one graphics solution, such as integrated graphics, you'll see just a single entry. It might have a name like Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD, followed by a model number. If you have both integrated graphics and a dedicated graphics card, you may see two entries. The dedicated card is usually the more powerful one, and it will often be labeled with NVIDIA or AMD, along with its specific model name. To get more details, you can double-click on the graphics card entry. This opens a Properties window where you can see extra information such as the device status and driver details. This is useful if you're troubleshooting, or if you want to confirm that Windows recognizes your graphics card correctly. If you want to keep this information handy, you can write down the exact name and model of the card or take a quick screenshot. That way, when you're checking game requirements or downloading drivers from the manufacturer's website, you'll know exactly what to look for. And that's all you need to do. By using Device Manager and the Display Adapters section, you can quickly find and check your graphics card on Windows 10 without installing any additional software.